Hello, Mark. I I'm making a video right now for our last conversation about how to share files to other people or to your other members. So right now, this is just an example. So I don't know if it can help you through. Okay, so you just you, you told me that need to share purchase log to Devi, your accountant. So you just need to go to upload, and then upload purchase log. So on your side, so upload, hit open. Right now, I already have purchase log on my OneDrive, and then open the file. Once you open the file, you can see share button at the right side. So hit share button, and then you can see you can invite people to see purchase log through putting their email address, and then a quick note, and then share. Or you you just need to get the link. So create the link, and then copy this and send it to people you want to share this file. Or click this one if you want that someone who will edit who has the access to edit your file. So click this, then copy this link and paste it to or send it to your to Debbie so that he can also edit the file if she wants. So that's it. So thank you.